So welcome. Welcome to What Do We Tell Students About ChatGPT, Finding and Building English Open Educational Resources about AI Writing Assistants. Glad you're here. I'm Anna Mills. I teach English at College of Marin, and I taught for many years at City College of San Francisco. I'm the English Discipline Lead for the Academic Senate for California Community Colleges OER initiative, and I have written an OER textbook. And I'm also curating a resource area about AI writing assistance and its impacts on education for the Writing Across the Curriculum Clearinghouse. Still having a hard time hearing me, it sounds like. My volume is all the way up, so I'll try to speak up. And my co-host, Elle Dimopoulos, would you like to introduce yourself, Elle?
Sure. Hello and welcome, everyone. Glad we can all get together on this blusterous Friday with the weather outside going on. Right now, I'm the OER coordinator at College of Marin. In addition to that, I'm doing some access and accessibility work, working with both faculty and students. I'm also an independent researcher at UW, doing work in AI and anti-bias in data. Welcome, everyone.
Thank you, Elle. So you can follow along in the slides if you want any of the links. We've got that bit.ly in the chat. I'm just going to give a really brief introduction to AI text generators like ChatGPT. And then we're going to talk about some examples of how OER, open license materials, can help us respond as educators. And then we will have time for Q&A. So I wanted to reassure people that this is a big topic. There's a lot to cover, and we're going to go fairly quickly, but there are a lot more resources and help and recorded webinars on OER for English specifically, and on ChatGPT and AI text generators. So we have a lot of great recorded introductions to OER for English and to OER in general, as well as much more information on ChatGPT. So don't worry if it's not all covered in the depth you want. Hopefully we'll get through what you want to learn today. So quick questions. Elle is going to be in the chat responding. So, anything pressing or fairly quick, feel free to put in the chat, or really anything at all. But we'd like to work with Menti, since we have a big group today, for longer questions for the Q&A, because then we can find out which questions others are interested in. So if you've got any questions that might be a little more involved, if you could put those into the, you go to menti.com, and we've got a couple interactive features today that we would love for you to participate in. So you can use the QR code. You only have to do it once. For all of the interactive features, you can put this number in and go through those slides with the arrows. Maybe Elle can put that Menti link in. So just to start out with the basics, what does a text generator do? An AI text generator basically attempts to give you the text that you are looking for. It attempts to predict what it is that you want. So you ask it for something in natural language, like write an essay describing the ways in which Twitter might improve academic discourse, and it will very quickly give you some paragraphs on that topic. Here you just see a screenshot of the first paragraph, but there were 5 in this example. Where does this come from as far as the infrastructure? ChatGPT, the most famous text generator at the moment, was made by the company OpenAI. It was released November 30th, and this is a company that's largely funded by Microsoft. This is not new technology, however. It was built on GPT 3.5, which is an updated version of GPT 3, which has been available since 2020. These are the most capable of the publicly available language models, but there are others. There are open source language models. Google and Meta have language models that are comparable to ChatGPT in capacity, but that are not publicly available. So here's an example of an academic essay generation. I asked it to describe the differences between Martin Luther King's rhetorical style and Gandhi's, and asked what those differences suggest about their philosophies and leadership styles. And the output was reasonably credible, pretty generic thesis that it starts out with, but then it does give some specifics about their differences, lists, speeches, dates, historical context, just to give you a little picture. So how does it do this? What is the nature of this software? It's basically designed to generate a series of words based on statistical analysis of huge volumes of text. It's training over a period of time, over years of statistically processing the internet. And what it's spitting out is not copied from its training data verbatim for the most part. It's copying patterns and predicting likely next words sort of one by one, but it's not copying from Wikipedia or anything like that. So it is producing what looks like new content, new word sequences. And this is my favorite sort of AI educator, Janelle Shane. She explains that the algorithm is playing a kind of guessing game. What would the humans write next? How would a human writer likely continue on from the prompt? The prompt is what we ask it to do, and then it's just predicting what comes after that. So it's a prediction based on human data. It's based on text written by humans. And it can take in a lot of information, up to about 2,000 words, about what we're looking for. So if I wanted to create a certain kind of essay, I can describe the style, the length. I can give it background information. I can feed it bullet points, ideas, the beginning of an essay. I can give it a reading up to about 2,000 words that I want it to comment on. And it will attempt to predict, again, what comes next. Now, it's important to note that it doesn't always produce the same thing in response to the same prompt. So it can keep generating different essays, if I just ask it for another one and another one with the same prompt. So what's the quality of ChatGPT outputs? In some respects, it's solid academic prose in the sense that it's grammatically correct, on topic. It's sort of a fluent academic style, recognizable, and it usually sounds plausible. But very important to note that it might sound even intelligent, but there's no understanding or coherent intention behind it. I like the phrase that Emily Bender and Alex Hanna use. They call it a mathy math. It might contradict itself from one sentence to the next. It might say, make one claim one time and the opposite the next time. It's not thinking or believing or claiming anything. It's not a coherent entity. It's just a set of predictions. But it can be tempting to think that it is understanding in a human-like way. Even though I said it's a mathy math, we should note that again, it is trained on human written text. So its predictions are often biased because it's trained on text scraped from the internet, from Reddit, from Wikipedia, and its content is skewed as the internet is skewed toward developed nations, English, wealth, maleness, whiteness. You have to feed it a huge volume of data for this algorithm to work, and they essentially do that by not curating very much. So these biases are really baked into the structure of the software, and there's no easy or reliable way to remove them, though the companies do try. That word plausible that I mentioned before is, I think, really helpful to keep remembering that that's what it's trained to do, is make something plausible. It's not designed to say something true necessarily. So it's very erratic when it comes to sources and facts. Sometimes it won't give sources. Sometimes it makes them up. It makes up quotes. Sometimes it might give real ones. But it's essentially, it's not reasoning or checking the claims against reality. It's not grounded in reality. However, that is changing to some extent as we see companies try to merge these tools with search. So you may have heard about the new Bing combining these language model capabilities with searching for real sources. So we're starting to see hybrids. But you'll still see cases where these models don't actually make sense, or they're contradictory, or they're not saying falsehoods. Yes, so besides sort of the truth and the bias questions, there are a host of other concerns around the training and use of these language models, including questions about whether the companies had the right to train the models on all the human writing that they did without the permission of those authors, whether there are copyright violations sometimes in the outputs. Sometimes it does plagiarize occasionally. There are privacy concerns about both the data that was used for training and what happens to our data when we use these tools, when we prompt them with something that might be personal. There are concerns about labor, and especially the work of people in developing countries who are testing these systems for very low wages and sometimes at the cost of their mental health. And concerns about energy consumption and the amount of energy that it takes to train the models and to operate them, because they really only work with a very large amount of compute. They're crunching huge volumes of data, so it's energy intensive. So this is all a lot, and that's not all. I think I've just had to recognize that with this topic, there are going to be continuous changes. It's very engaging and overwhelming. So even since the November 30th release of ChatGPT, there have been 5 updates where its capabilities change. We've seen the search is combining with ChatGPT. Google plans to release a competitor, and we've heard rumors that a more advanced language model will be released later this year by OpenAI. So continuous change. So I wanted to pause there and just acknowledge kind of the role that emotions might play. It's been really important for me to watch my own emotions as I've learned about this and tried to figure out my responses. So if you would, I thought we could do a little word cloud to see how people are feeling right at the moment about the impact on education. Here. Doesn't seem to be loading my words. Oh, here we go. Okay, so frustrated, anxious, um, curious, excited. Those are the two biggest ones. Interesting. Cautious, concerned, anxious. So I've done this a number of times, and every time I see a kind of a balance of the positive and the negative in the biggest words that come up. Confused, intrigued, and for me, there's definitely a combination of those feelings. Um, Revolutionary, empowered, depressed, right? So we get this real mirroring of extremes: stressed, befuddled, upset, yeah, interested, overwhelmed, impressed. Yeah, it's pretty intense. Um, Thank you for sharing those. So I think, you know, we're not in this alone, and we don't have to figure it out alone. Um, um, but these big questions do come up, leading to both excitement and consternation. What do we tell our students? They can access this right now. Do we introduce it? Do we teach about it? Do we try to ban it? Or do we teach with it? So I'm not going to go into so much depth about all the different possible responses in this presentation, because I want to highlight the role of OER and open licenses, and that in addition to turning to each other and to discussion, I think that OER can help because it can allow us to collaborate and share materials and adapt quickly and easily. So just a reminder, I don't know if you're familiar with these 5 R's, the permissions of OER. Most openly licensed materials allow us to make copies of the material, to reuse the material, to revise it, to get right in there and edit, add, take away, modify, to combine multiple documents, and to share with others what we have reworked. So these permissions, which you'll know if you see the Creative Commons licenses on a document, CC BY, CC BY NC, CC BY SA. You might not always see the logos, you might just see the letters. But those letters mean that you have certain permissions that you can look up on the Creative Commons site. And this allows for widespread immediate use, resharing without stealing guilt, right? No apologies, republishing, that's what it's intended for. And it means that when we have these sort of controversial or dicey questions about how to handle the policy, we can still build on what others have done. We can adapt and revise according to our own beliefs, and we can adapt as the technology changes. We can adapt the same materials and re-release them. So what do we need? What do we want in terms of OER? I mean, I think the first biggest concern most people have is how do we prevent learning loss due to possible misuse of these text generators? Could students pass off ChatGPT text as their own and thereby miss the chance to sort of practice the critical thinking and the writing process as we have intended in the assignment? So we've seen a whole range of approaches. None of them seems to be foolproof. Many have some possible undesirable side effects. Some have very good side effects. The top ones that are not controversial include encouraging intrinsic motivation, helping students understand and feel engaged and connected with the assignment, and talking about writing as a tool for thinking, as a process that helps us form our own ideas and opinions and find our own voice, helps us learn content, that it's about the process, it's not about the product. And also building relationships with students, these kind of fundamental approaches that we're probably focused on already or aspire to improve on are maybe the most effective at preventing misuse of text generators. So I think I've covered this slide emphasizing the same things. But there's a set of other approaches that I've described in more detail in an article and in other webinars, but I'll go over them a little bit here. This is actually from a poll from another webinar, so you can see how the popularity of different approaches kind of shook out. We can make explicit policies. That's relatively easy to put something in a syllabus or in an academic integrity policy for a school. That actually talks about AI and what uses might be appropriate and inappropriate, what expectations are about acknowledging which text comes from a language model. We can ask students to affirm that the text is their own, that they have written it, as we do sometimes to prevent plagiarism. We're definitely can consider assigning in-class writing or writing by hand. There are tools for identifying AI text. They're not very accurate. There's software that claims to be accurate, but news coverage and anecdotes on Twitter suggest that all of the software available for detecting AI text is prone to some false positives and false negatives. So it will sometimes label human written text, like the opening to Macbeth, as likely AI. And it will sometimes label the AI text as likely human. And there are ways that it's pretty easy to work around those detectors, as well as privacy concerns and sort of data rights concerns around submitting student work to that software. So some real concerns around that. We can conference with students or ask them to share video or audio of them discussing their work. We can assign steps in the writing process. That's a bit of a deterrent because yes, students could auto-generate, a brainstorm and an outline and a draft and a revision and a cover letter describing their writing process, but it becomes laborious to sort of generate and connect multiple steps like that. So it might be less likely that they would. Also because we're supporting them to move through those steps in a reasonable time frame without as much pressure on each one. We can incorporate images, video, and audio into assignments. At the moment, you can't submit a video or audio and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. But of course, students could describe multimedia and then use the text generator, but it might be a deterrent. Software that records the student's writing process was not too popular. Concerns about surveillance and bias in that software and privacy certainly come in. And we have the option to switch to forms of assessment other than writing. Of course, as a writing teacher and someone who's done a textbook about writing, that's not what I want to see happen, because I do believe in writing and reading as sort of the fundamental core of what we offer in academia, as these are ways to improve our thinking and to help us come to better judgments and decisions about the world and to understand. So the other questions that come up that we might want materials on. Should we incorporate this technology into our teaching? It is sort of does offer kind of endless possibilities for new pedagogy that can be very exciting. And there are some serious cautions I think that we should consider before we jump to that. Have we thought through the ethics issues around the tool? Can we justify using it and asking students to use it given those concerns? Are we asking students to submit their data to platforms that are not going to keep it private? Is there an alternative if we are using ChatGPT for an assignment? Are we offering an alternative for students who are not comfortable with that? And then, there's a tendency to feel like, oh, this is the new way. Students need to learn this. I don't want them to fall behind. I want to support them, so I'm going to use it. But of course, anytime we're focusing on this, there's some other practice that we're not doing. If we're asking them to critique AI outputs, then we're not asking them in that moment to read human text. It's an opportunity cost. And if we do assign this software, are we ready to explain it? Are we ready to show students its pitfalls and help them to identify the kinds of problems that come up in its outputs? So the first example of OER that might help us with this is a set of recommendations for pedagogy. So this is what I wrote with my friend Lauren Goodlad of the Critical AI Institute at Rutgers. It's a piece, and maybe, let's see if I can put that in the chat. Well, you can see the bit.ly up there, but so this has a set of recommendations that goes into a bit more depth on all those practices that I just described and takes a bit more of a stance on which ones are probably a good direction to go. And we put an open license on that. So it's CC by NC, and that means that any department or teaching and learning center could take it and actually get in and edit it, update it, change it to fit the department's philosophy, cut out half of it and use half and combine it with another document that's open license. So the idea is that, when we're trying to come to these decisions, we could start with something and revise it if it's an OER document. And a cool thing that happened was that after we published it, a professor from the Juan David Gutierrez from the Universidad del Rosario in Colombia reached out to us, and he translated it and he republished it on his blog. And that's something that's allowed under the CC by NC license. So already there's a sense of like the work can reach larger audiences when we're sharing it that way. And I believe Juan David Gutierrez is here today, but so, along those lines, we need sample policies and syllabus language, so we don't have to each start from scratch and imagine this separately. We also need those samples so we can see sort of competing approaches and do some soul searching about how we want to discuss academic integrity and to what extent we want to suggest that students might cheat or why would they want to, that kind of thing. So looking at these and modifying these things can be a really great exercise. And these are 3 that were published under open licenses that I've pulled out and curated in my resource list, where there's a larger section of sample policies. And so I wanted to share those. We had another collaboration, so I wanted to just highlight this one, which is also by Juan David Gutierrez. So he published this in Spanish under a CC BY license. and then he translated it, and then I sort of collaborated on it with him a little bit to give some um, sort of it led me to reflect on my own policies and how I want to word things. And I think the open license sort of really gives a sense of freedom for that, and a sense of, it doesn't have to be perfect, because I could end up changing it later, or somebody else could change it and build on it, with attribution to the original author. And sorry, so some features I wanted to highlight from his policy really shows how a policy could educate students on AI, and offer some chance for discussion of sort of critical AI literacy. He links out to a lot of updated current articles. The guidelines explain why they're needed, and educate about the risks of AI, including the inaccuracy, bias, the tendency to anthropomorphize or imagine that the AI is sentient. So I think that, I found it an inspiring model for those reasons. So one could imagine a process where, say, a department or a college starts with one or more of these documents, and sort of collaboratively annotates them. So maybe using Google Docs or Hypothesis for social annotation, you could have like department members weighing in on the wording or parts that they like. And then that's a foundation for a discussion in person with editing, and a customized version of the policy for a department. And of course, the final product you'd want to attribute to the original author, as citing that it's been adapted from their work. So I mentioned the way that Juan David's policy sort of educates about AI. And I think that's another area where we can build a lot of OER resources that will need to change quickly. But we can do a great service if we're helping in the context of teaching digital literacy and clarifying our policies, if we can introduce students to the concept of statistically generated text and help them to understand that it's not authoritative, that it doesn't know, that it's not neutral, and to help them know what kinds of problems to watch out for as this technology becomes ubiquitous, not only in terms of generating text, but in terms of style suggestions and next word prediction, and the accessibility tools that Elle is going to speak about a little later. Students need to be aware of how these risks in AI can lead to problems in the output if we're going to use these tools. So we need course materials on those topics about AI in general, its risks and ethical considerations, and about large language models. So we'd love to see, it'd be great to see handouts, slides, assignments, lesson plans. Be so useful if we could share these immediately, and adapt them as the technology changes. So I just put out a few examples of, there are open licensed materials out there. There's this workshop from MIT that's aimed at middle school students called the Daily AI Workshop, with a lot of open licensed slides about AI, introducing it, that could be useful, as a brief introduction for college level as well. There's the People's Guide to AI from Allied Media, which has a lot about social justice concerns in relation to AI. And a colleague of mine, Mark Marino, just made an intro video very quickly with an AI video generator called Steve AI, that he put an open license on. So there's potential there for students even or teachers to go in and edit the video and discuss how these things should be introduced and sort of make their own versions. That's the open pedagogy angle. That's the benefit of using the open license on the course materials, that maybe the students can then contribute or add to the material. The Creative HE group I believe they're mostly in the UK, Chrissy Naranci, Antonio Arboleda, Mariana Carazziori, and Sandra Abeglan. Please forgive me if I've messed up the names, but they are collecting creative ideas for lesson plans for AI in education. This is a great recent project that you can still submit to. And here's an example from my colleague Maha Bali, who's a wonderful faculty educator for Equity Unbound. She created a lesson around this recent news article from Time Magazine about how workers in Kenya were treated who were helping to make ChatGPT less offensive and to make it safer to use, but at their own expense without adequate mental health support. So she created a meme and sort of a lesson around that that she shared. That's just one example of a slide from that collection. It inspired me to create something. So I worked on something that fits with my OER textbook, where students start out by reading some basic articles and watching videos about ChatGPT. And then they compare a human written and a ChatGPT written critical assessment of an article that they've read from the New York Times. So it's intended, I've sort of pre-generated that essay from ChatGPT. So I'm not asking them to go in and do that, but I'm asking them to then annotate and notice what it misses. So I went ahead and I shared that as a module on Canvas Commons. If you use Canvas as your LMS, you can just access that then and import. Commons is always available to you from Canvas, but even if you're using a different LMS, you can still access this and export it people have brought it into Blackboard and into Moodle. So Canvas Commons is just a really easy way to share our materials. And I went on there and there's so little about ChatGPT. I think there were 2 other things and they weren't actually original materials. They were just like links to an article to read or things like that. So I would love to see this just balloon. So it's just really simple. I created assignments for students to write notes in the margins on certain articles, and then to reflect on how human and AI critical assessments compare. And I connected that to my textbook readings on critical assessment. So then I asked students to reflect on what did ChatGPT miss? What did its output get right about the New York Times article? And how does that match what we had learned about the kinds of errors that language models make and the ways in which their output is maybe more shallow or less nuanced, doesn't maybe connect ideas as meaningfully. And also to reflect on, what if the student had started with this auto-generated essay? Would they have missed out on all the rich observations that they did make in the sample student essay that is also provided in my textbook? And then just more open-ended, what do students draw from that comparison? So kind of inviting students in this open way to the discussion about what should be the place of ChatGPT and what are the risks and downsides of using it, but what are its capacities. So, those are just a couple of ideas, but we need so many more. We need updated materials on the nature of language models. We need more materials on the uses and perils of AI writing assistants. We need materials on best practices for use of AI text generators as assistive technology. So I'm going to turn it over to Elle for that topic that she's an expert in.
Hi, everyone. Hopefully you've been enjoying our wonderful presentation. And I see there's a lot of great activity in the chat, so keep those questions and comments coming. But to take a little bit of a side trip here, we really need to think carefully and mindfully about some of the technology that is the framework and goes into a lot of the APIs or application program interfaces that actually run probably around 90% of all the accessibility technology that's out there today, right? So if we're thinking about, well, we'll just write a policy that perhaps bans AI, that's going to necessarily cut off a lot of folks from learning resources and academic supports. Some of these API examples that I've listed include text-to-speech or speech-to-text, captions that we're using right now in Zoom, language translation that we've seen in a previous slide, word completion, or as one of my other colleagues online likes to call ChatGPT, spicy autocomplete. Some gesture recognition. For example, I have a colleague that works at Microsoft and they're doing a translation software. So when folks do ASL signing, it will translate that into whatever language you happen to be speaking. So thinking about those things in mind. Text summaries is another great example, right? Taking those meeting notes, maybe you use Notion, maybe you use Otter, maybe you're capturing some notes not only in a business context, but also in an academic classroom context, right? Those notes could be more effective and beneficial as an extension to the studying and the learning process that you're already doing. So one of the questions I always ask when I'm talking about these types of access and accessibility supports are, how can we really leverage this technology and these types of supports to support learning, right? To extend our processes, not replace or shortcut learning, right? And I think those are some of the possible pitfalls. You never want to give students or anyone a tool and just say, go ahead and run with it, right? Without any documentation. Always RTFM, as the case may be. So assistive technologists and accessibility folk in the field are already using these technologies and have been for a long time, on how to increase academic success. ChatGPT, it's really just one more tool we have to learn and provide guidance to our students for their own learning. Thanks, Adam.
Thank you. I find that really inspiring. I think there's so much assistive technology that can be helpful in a broad sense to so many students. And yet it's prone to all the same kinds of problems that we've just gone over. So I thought this might be a good moment for sort of an interactive, another poll. I would love to know what kinds of OER resources you would reach for first if they existed around AI text generators. Second. So if you can go to that slide on the Mentimeter. Okay, so AI detection. Yeah, that is software that exists, as I mentioned. OpenAI released a text classifier, but it's not very accurate. So maybe somebody's looking for something more accurate. Information literacy, definitely. Well-developed activities to guide students to use ChatGPT in responsible and productive ways in their writing processes. Yeah, and I think that's also where it gets controversial as to what's responsible and productive. I think most people are going to say that they have an ethical way to use it, but we'll probably disagree on what is ethical. Guidelines for how to help students use AI. Yeah, so teacher-facing materials that we can come up with, best practices, assignment ideas, example activities, syllabus language, introduction to AI text and image generators aimed at increasing faculty and staff understanding, lesson plan outlines, and parallel an introduction that's aimed at increasing student understanding. And I'm curious to know how much overlap there is. I've put a lot of introductions to the topic into my resource list, and I think many of them could also be, used with students. Explorations of the ethical uses of AI, image generation, information about image generation. Yes, another one. So very cool. Thank you for sharing these, and feel free to keep adding to this list. I will definitely keep this and kind of reflect on it, and hopefully OERI will get a chance to see it as well. But yeah, I think developing digital skills and competencies, this will start to become a part of those competencies that we're talking about in relation to information literacy. Confirmation of appropriate CC licensing permissions in generated content. Yeah, I think that's a really, that's an issue that the Supreme Court is sort of still possibly weighing in on, whether there's been copyright violation in the training of these systems, because we've seen things with image generation where artists' styles are copied or signatures are copied in the outputs of the training data. So there are a lot of legal questions around copyright that are still up in the air, even though these tools are out there, but their legality has not really been certified. We need more research on the effectiveness of these teaching practices and the effect on student learning of using these tools. Absolutely. And I hope that research will be open access so that we can, share it more widely. Right. So thank you for that input. Let's switch back to presentation. Okay, so as we start to develop materials, I really think this is an exciting space because we can come in and experiment and share, and it's very easy, and I think that the OER ethos really enables that. So I felt when I was doing my OER textbook that, well, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a building block. Obviously we did peer review, we did all those steps, we did what we could, but then I continued to revise it. And I think anything we put out there under an open license, we can put out there in that spirit. Sharing on Canvas Commons if you use Canvas, but even if you don't, wherever you want to put your materials, if it's public online, even if it's a Google Doc that you want to share, and you put that CC BY or CC BY NC on it, you have just created an OER. that you can then share on social media, get feedback on, you can see people's comments on, and we can collaborate in this way, sort of internationally. So I just encourage you to do that. And also to submit to the 101 Creative Ideas to Use AI in Education, which also includes educating about AI and sort of critical perspectives. It's not just asking students to use AI. So I put that, you've got that link in the slides, and I think that's due on March 31st if you want to be part of that project. And the other thing I would suggest that's really easy is, I don't know if you've used the tool Hypothesis for annotating, for writing comments in the margins of web pages or PDFs. It's a lot like Google Docs comments, but you can do it on any web page and you can do it publicly. It defaults to an open license, a CC0 license. So it can be another way to share reactions to readings, discussion questions, and Perusall is another tool for that. But Perusall is not a public tool. It's sort of with your class. It's a private space. Hypothesis can be either private or public. We can share reactions to any readings on AI, and students can share reactions by annotating those texts. So there are these kind of easy ways to start contributing to this global commons of educators responding. And my resource list is itself an OER, open license list, that you're welcome to adapt and also comment on or suggest resources for. It's part of the Writing Across the Curriculum Clearinghouse from Colorado State. And we've created a set of resources there that includes not just the links, but lists of questions that educators might ask about text generators. It includes, the resource list includes this table of contents. So, if you're looking for a podcast or a video, there's a section for that. If you're looking for sample policy statements, there's a section on that. There's one on student perspectives, peer-reviewed papers, the extent to which we have research on this, books on AI, tips on using language models, a whole section on detection with links to the detectors and articles about them. So we've got a lot of resources up there, and it's been really neat to have that be crowdsourced and have the dialogue in the margins of the Google Doc. A lot of people have contributed. And we also have a set of sample AI generated essays that are open licensed. So if you don't necessarily want to make an account with OpenAI and try your prompts on there, you can just see samples of different genres of academic essays that are coming out of ChatGPT. Yeah, and let's reshare the links. Sorry about that. Let me get that bit.ly. Thank you, Elle. Excellent. Those are the slides, and the slides take you to the resource area. And I just want to invite you to also connect in the larger discussion about the impacts of AI on education in this kind of open culture kind of way. There's a great discussions on OE Global Connect, Open Education Global, hosted by Alan Levine, who's knowledgeable about this. And in the clearinghouse, in the resource area, we have a bunch of options. We have a listserv there. And we also have our English OER listserv. There is a Facebook group on AI in higher education that's really has some really great discussions. There have been wonderful ongoing discussions on both Twitter and Mastodon. So I'm just sort of excited to meet you all in those spaces as well, and for this really to be kind of a democratic and collaborative process as we evolve, as the tech evolves. I think OER can make it so much better.